Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT effectively. So make sure to stick around until the end to learn all the tips and tricks to get the most out of this powerful AI tool for your tasks and projects. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see this ChatGPT. Click on it. Here on the home page, you can see we have these two options. The first is login and the other is sign up. In order to create an account, click on sign up. After that, you will be prompted to enter your email address. So enter your email address in the required field. And after that, click on continue. And now create a password. Be sure to choose a strong password that is both secure and easy to remember. And after filling in these details, click on continue. Next, check your inbox for a verification email from ChatGPT. This step is crucial for securing your account. And once you find the email, click on the verification link. The verification link will confirm your email address and complete the account creation process. Now, by clicking that link, you will be directed back to the ChatGPT website. So here you can see it says, tell us about you. So you can simply add your name here and then your birthday. After that, click on agree. And after that, you will be greeted by the ChatGPT dashboard. The interface is designed to be user-friendly with a clean layout. At the bottom of the screen, you will find this text input box. And this is where you will type your questions, prompt, or commands. You can start by typing something simple in the text box, such as, tell me some fun fact, and then click on the send button. ChatGPT will generate a response which will appear in the chat window above the text box. Now, these responses are typically quick, appearing in seconds. After ChatGPT generates a response, you will see these different options below that response. The first is read loud. When you click on this button, it is going to read this whole response for you. And if you want to copy this, then you can simply click on this copy button. Now below each response, there is usually an option to regenerate the response. Here you can see this regenerate button. Now this button allows you to request a new or alternative answer if you're not satisfied with the first one. Simply click on this button to see a different version of the response. This is helpful if you want different insights or additional information on the same topic. After ChatGPT generates a response, you will see this option below which represents a bad response. So you can provide feedback on the quality of the response. And on the left side of the screen, you will see a sidebar. Now this sidebar contains a list of all your previous conversations. Each chat is labeled with a brief description or the first line of the conversation, making it easy to identify. And if you want to revisit your past conversations, you can simply click on the chat from the list. The full conversation will open in the main chat window, allowing you to read or continue the discussion. And if you want to delete a chat, then next to the chat in the sidebar, you will see these three dots. Tap on it. And here in the drop down, you can see we have this delete button. Simply click on it. A confirmation will appear asking if you're sure that you want to delete the conversation. You can click on the delete button to proceed and that chat will be permanently deleted. And if you want to start a new chat, at the top of the sidebar, you will see this icon of new chat. Simply click on it. And the main chat window will refresh and now you can start a new chat. This is useful when you want to ask about a different topic or you want to have a fresh conversation without the context of the previous chats. And if you don't want to see this sidebar over here, you can click on this close sidebar button and with that, the sidebar will disappear. In case you're wondering how to log out of your ChatGPT, you can click on this profile icon which you will find in the top right corner and here we have the logout button. Click on it. And with that, you will be able to log out of your ChatGPT account. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.